Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your digital footprint completely 2026 a complete walkthrough. So guys, you realize your personal data is everywhere online and you want it gone. So in this video, I'll show you how to reduce and clean up your digital footprint in 2026 step by step. Please note you can't erase everything forever, but you can remove 90% of your public data apart from the ones stored by the government, which would require some legal work. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step would be to delete old and unused accounts. So basically, start with accounts you no longer use. You could simply search your emails for old signups. You could visit a website like just just delete justdelete.me. Let's go ahead and search for them. And about them, it's a directory of direct links to delete your account from web services, Chrome, Firefox extensions, contribute on GitHub, tweets, and let's go ahead and access it. So where we have just.me, justdeleteme.xyz, go ahead and open that website up. And you could find direct accounts. You could find direct account deletion links. So let's say you want to delete something. All you need to do is just go ahead and search. Let's try Google. So for Google, we have Blogger, Google Play, Tenor, Dronostar. You can see the ways in which you can delete your information is in cards. We have on Tenor, Year, Toronto Stars, YouTube, it's Medium. They would show you information on how to delete. So let's say the most important, which is Blogger. You can't delete your Blogger account without deleting your entire Google account, but you can delete your blog. If you want to delete your entire Google account, use instructions for Google. And this is it. If you click on show info, visit the linked page and delete your accounts. So you can use this platform right here to simply search for stuff and delete them. So let's say something like Facebook. So let's say something like Facebook. You could simply search up Facebook, and for Facebook, just click on show info. While you can delete your account easily, some of the data, including messages, are there to stay forever, just as stated in the website's privacy policy. So, yes, some of your information, your pictures, your private conversations exist on servers that are hosted by Facebook. All right, so now let's say you want to remove your personal info from Google or Facebook or any platform. How do you go about this? With Google, all you need to do is just search for your name, your email, phone number, and then head over to Google and then remove personal info. So let's say you want to do this. Let's open a new tab. Just simply click on, just simply search for Google. So go ahead and search for Google, open it up, and then where we have google.com, click on accounts, and then head over to go to Google accounts. And then where we have my account.google.com, just simply head over to personal info and then begin removing your personal information, remove your contact details, your home address, and other things of that nature. They are all listed here. Though it is blurred out, they are listed here. You can even change your password. Other accounts that are linked to your own accounts can be removed as well. And then if you want to take it up a notch, head over to data and privacy and then scroll till you find the option to delete your Google account. So there's an option to delete a Google service, and then there's an option to delete your entire account. You can do that as well to simply rid yourself of the um to simply read your information from Google. Now, moving on, the next thing you can do is to lock down your social media. You can secure what basically stays online by setting your profile to private, deleting your old photos that contain you or posts, and then disabling search engine indexing. as well as removing face tags and public followers. That's what you can do. And then last but not least, secure browsing and future privacy. So you can use private browsers like Brave or Firefox for better security and privacy. Also, install ad and track blockers and use a password manager. Enable your two-factor authentication everywhere, and this would stop some tracking. But please remember that most of your data cannot be deleted from the internet because nothing is ever deleted off the internet. All right. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions. So, guys, another thing you can do that I failed to mention is opt out of data broker sites. So, data broker sites sell your info, and you can manually opt out of websites like Being Verified, Spokio, White Pages, or People Finder. So, back on Just About Me or Just Delete Me, let's search for something like people. Now, for Intellius People Finder, if you click on Show Info, while Intellius will not delete your account login, you can request to have your records removed. Send an email to Intellius support to request deletion. A support representative will eventually respond with instructions on how to delete your account. Follow these directions carefully, as they describe that the process is very similar to public records, and which does not necessarily involve data deletion. All right, so this is it. And for websites like Skidoo, just follow the link above and click the bottom of the notifications settings page, and you can delete your account. And then people per hour, just head into profile settings, accounts, edits, and then deactivate. So it's quite easy, or rather easy to really you know delete your accounts and delete your content. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.